Hello everyone, welcome back to Gochlar Works. Today, we're diving into some cool stuff about verbs. Specifically, we're going to break down finite and non-finite verbs. We'll simplify these concepts step by step. So stay tuned. A finite verb is a verb that has a subject and show tense. For instance, let's look at he plays the guitar. Notice the word plays? That's a finite verb. It has a subject, which is he, and it's in the present tense. Here's another one for you. She walks to school. Can you spot the finite verb? That's right. It's walks. Why? Because it has a subject, she, and again, it's showing us the present tense. Example time. She writes beautiful stories. In this sentence, writes is a finite verb, as it has a subject, she, and shows tense, present. He played the guitar yesterday. Here, played is a finite verb because it has a subject, he, and indicates past tense. They will sing at the concert tomorrow. In this sentence, will sing is a finite verb, showing future tense with the subject they. I am reading an interesting book. Am reading is a finite verb because it has a subject, I, and is in the present continuous tense. She has danced ballet for years. Has danced is a finite verb, with she as the subject, and it's in the present perfect tense. Now, moving on to non-finite verbs. A non-finite verb is a verb form that does not show tense. In other words, you cannot tell if a sentence is in the past tense, present tense, or future tense by looking at a non-finite verb. Therefore, a non-finite verb is never the main verb in a sentence. There are three types of non-finite verbs. Infinitives, these are verbs with to in front, like to swim, to dance, to eat. No matter who's doing it, it's always to swim. Gerunds, gerunds are like ing lovers. If a verb ends in ing, it's a gerund. Running, swimming, laughing, they're all in the gerund club. Participles, participles often end in ed, n, or ing. They're like verb chameleons. For example, the broken toy. Broken is a participle describing the toy. To find non-finite verbs, look for verbs after to, like to run. Search for verbs ending in ing. Example, running. Keep an eye out for verbs ending in ed, n, d, t, or n. Example, broken. Some more example of non-finite verbs. He likes to sing. Here to sing is a non-finite verb, infinitive, as it doesn't have its own subject and doesn't show tense. Next is, swimming is fun. In this, swimming is a non-finite verb, gerund, as it's used as a noun and doesn't show tense. The broken window needs fixing. In this, broken is a non-finite verb, participle, because it's used as an adjective and doesn't have its own subject or show tense. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this video helped you understand finite and non-finite verbs better, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to GochlarWorks for more fun language learning videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you want us to cover. Happy learning!